Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Another vending machine video of Hot Wheels. Okay, we have the Lancia Delta, Mazda RX-7 is behind, Ford Mustang here, helicopter from Hot Wheels, Dodge Charger shortcut is very nice. Then we have the Gasser, which I already have, and I want another one, so I may get that. Tow truck, Audi RS5, Camaro, Ford Transit, another green Gasser. This red Kia, I bought it from somewhere else, and I'll do a review soon. Chevrolet Corvette, black Roger Dodger, which one of my viewers said is very nice. Yes. Jaguar, another Kia, nothing interesting else. I see a lot of green Gasser, Renault Alpine. So in goes money for number 29. So green gas it is, and I will open this up. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.